Alright, now Samsung recently revitalized the Edge panel feature on One UI 8 and One UI 8.5. And now they have taken it to the next level and added further customization features to the Edge panel through the Home Up module on Goodlock. And in today's video, I will tell you what exactly has changed and how you can get this updated Home Up module to customize your Edge panels. Without wasting any time, let's dive right into the video. Now let's go to Home Up application. This is the brand new version of Home Up. And here, let me tap on the Edge panel. You can see we have got a brand new toggle here called Edge Panel Background. Apply images or colors to the background area to decorate the panel. So basically we can customize the Edge panel. Let me tap on this. This is pretty cool, guys. We can change the background image here. Let me tap on this. Here we have got some cool looking default background. Let me select one of them here and tap on OK. And now let me open the Edge panel. You can see this is how it looks. I can further customize it. I can reduce the alpha bar here. You can see the transparency has increased, and I can also decrease the blur effect. This is how it looks. So basically we can add an image or the background and then change the blur effect and the transparency level for the background. We can also change the corner radius. Let me just change the background here maybe to this one and increase the blur level. Look at this, it looks pretty cool. Now let me change the corner radius. We can make it complete rectangle with sharp corners, you can see. And then if you want to increase the radius, let me just increase it all the way till here. Now you see this, it is a squircle kind of a background that we have. So you can customize the corner radius as well. This is pretty cool. But after applying these customization features, it will lag a bit initially and then it will start working fine. So you'll have to give it some time once you change the effects here. But I feel it is still in the beta version or something. It is not stable yet. Sometimes it doesn't come out at all. So that's a bummer, but yeah, of course, when you get the stable version, you will be able to get this working perfectly fine. Now, let me go back to the background image here. You can not only set these, you can also set the solid colors here. Once you set a solid color, you can change the background color by tapping on this. And if you want to set a custom image, you can select that. It will take you to gallery, and then you can select any image that you want. And you can also crop it like this. Let's say I want to select this portion of the image and I'll tap on apply, tap on OK. Now check this out. We've got that image right over here as background. This is pretty cool. Samsung is taking all these customizations to the next level, and all those Galaxy enthusiasts are going to love this. Now this is not it. Samsung has also added the dock background, or let's say favorites app background. I have already discussed about this in the past. Let me go back to Goodlock here. I'm in the Home Up, and here if I tap on home screen, you will see a brand new feature here called favorites background. And here you will be able to change the dock background, its color, its image, etc. You can also set a custom image, and the similar images are available here, which we saw for the Edge panel customization. You can select it, you can change alpha, corner radius, horizontal padding, vertical padding, all that you can change, and you can customize the dock background as well. And the best feature here on the new Home Up is gesture settings. We have already discussed about this as well. We have got a brand new feature called multi-finger gesture, on which you can select 2-finger gesture, 3-finger gesture, 4-finger gesture, or 5-finger gesture to execute various actions. For example, you can assign a function, or let's say action, for swipe left. We have got a big list of functions here. Recent key, home key, back key, forward key, app screen, finder search, previous app, next app. If you want to increase the volume with 2 fingers, you can do that like this. You see this? I'm increasing the volume with just 2-finger gesture. If I want to increase the brightness, I can use 3-finger. I have already set these up. I can use 3 fingers to increase the brightness here. Likewise, you can select various different actions for all these finger gestures, which is fantastic. And there is endless combinations. You can have all these different gestures for different finger combinations, which is just crazy, and it is insane. And using the phone has never been easier. This is just fantastic. So now I will tell you how you can install this application. I will leave an APK for this app, the all new Home Up. This APK has started circulating on X. Many of the users have already started sharing the APK. It is public now, so I will be able to share that APK in the description. And the condition is you need to be on One UI 9 beta. I'm not sure whether this is working on the One UI 8.5 on the S25 series. I have not tried yet. You can go ahead and install it and try it. If it works, it's great. If it doesn't, then you'll have to wait until you get the One UI 9. Now, if you're already on One UI 9 beta, let me tell you how to activate this particular APK. Now, once you install the APK, it may not show up on your Goodlock application. Let me just go to Goodlock here. Now you can see on Goodlock, there is no home up showing up here. So to get the home up options, what you need to do is after installing the APK, press and hold on the home screen, tap on settings button here, scroll all the way down, you will have more customizations. This will directly take you to home up. You will be able to access home up right from here. So do go ahead, install the APK. The link for the app is in the description. And if you like it, do let me know in the comment section. And if you like these contents, why not subscribe to the channel? I know a lot of you guys love watching these contents, but you have not hit that subscribe button yet. YouTube will always suggest you my videos, but if you subscribe, it will help me a lot. I really appreciate if you can hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. That's all I have here. If you love this wallpaper, the wallpaper is available on Wallverse. We have got some premium wallpaper added. We keep adding every day almost. So there are some brand new wallpapers added. You can see that particular wallpaper is over here. You can just go to the premium section and download this wallpaper. And we have enhanced our application with various new features. We have got a brand new collection called Depth Clock. We are adding more and more wallpapers for the depth effect wallpapers. You can actually tap on the clock and customize it. You can set a vertical clock or horizontal clock. You can enable or disable the liquid glass effect. We have got color options. So a lot of customization features have been added. Do go ahead and check out the depth clock wallpapers, and the complete UI has been redesigned and it is really fluid and works really great. So do go ahead and check that out. That's all I have here. Thanks for watching. You guys take care and stay safe. Cheers. Bye-bye.